My dear students, I am going to explain you that why copper sulfate solution is taken as an electrolyte in the refining of impure copper. So you see, first of all, thick copper plate is taken and it is attached to the positive terminal of the battery. That means it becomes anode. It will act as an anode. And thin copper strip, which is pure copper's thin strip is taken and it is attached, joined to the negative terminal of the battery, and it acts as a cathode. Okay, and copper sulfate solution is taken as an electrolyte. That means it will make the passage of current smooth. Then only from the cell, from the battery, current will pass, and then from the impure copper, impurities will settle down, and that copper will lose the electrons and it will move towards the cathode. Okay, and it will be collected, and this, and you know, copper sulfate, in this copper sulfate, copper is basic radical. That means it is cation. So it allows the copper coming from impure strip, from anode, it is mixing. After losing the electrons, it becomes cation and it goes on depositing on the thin strip of copper, which is pure. And sulfate, which is acid radical anion, so they are helping the copper to be collected at the cathode, and that's why cathode terminal, which was thin strip, it becomes thicker and thicker, and impure copper, which was made anode, it is becoming thinner and thinner. So copper sulfate is taken so that smooth current will flow, and copper from impure strip, it will come and it will lose electron and it will form cation and it will go on depositing at the cathode. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.